How was the world's largest constitution written? Who decided every word, every right, every duty that defines India today? The story of the making of the Indian Constitution is a story of vision, unity, and sacrifice. Welcome to JobSafal's Indian Polity Series Part 3, where we explore how India gave itself a living document, the Constitution of India. After India gained independence in 1947, one great challenge stood before the nation: how to govern more than 1 billion dreams under one law. The British Acts had failed to represent the people. India needed a constitution by Indians for Indians. That's where the Constituent Assembly came in. The Constituent Assembly was formed under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. It had 389 members, 296 from British India and 93 from princely states. After partition, it reduced to 299. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as its president, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar became the chairman of the drafting committee. The first meeting was held on 9 December 1946. On 13 December 1946, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru moved the Objectives Resolution, which later became the Preamble of India. It outlined the principles of sovereignty, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Assembly adopted this resolution on 22 January 1947, defining India's dream of a republic. To complete this massive task, the Assembly formed 22 committees, each handling different aspects such as fundamental rights, union powers, and states. The most important was the drafting committee headed by Dr. Ambedkar, which prepared the final draft of the Constitution. The drafting committee worked for 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. It met for 165 sessions and debated each article word by word. Dr. Ambedkar and his team studied the best constitutions of the world and adapted them to India's needs, a perfect blend of federal and unitary principles. The Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. Dr. Rajendra Prasad signed it as President of the Assembly, and it came into force on 26 January 1950, chosen to honor the Purna Swaraj Day of 1930. The journey from colonial laws to a people's constitution was finally complete. Let's recall some salient features of this drafting process. It was the world's lengthiest written constitution. It was created by elected representatives of the people. It balanced foreign inspirations with Indian realities. It was based on consensus, not conflict, and it gave equal importance to rights, duties, and justice. Dr. Ambedkar, known as the father of the Indian Constitution, ensured that it protected the rights of every citizen, especially the marginalized. His clarity, logic, and vision turned the Constitution into a living document, a constitution that grows with India. Did you know? The Constitution originally had 395 articles and 8 schedules. It was handwritten in English and Hindi by calligraphers Prem Bihari Narayan Razada and Vasant Krishna Vaidya. It cost around 1 crore rupees at that time. These facts are frequently asked in UPSC, SSC, and banking exams. So today we learned how the Constituent Assembly was formed, how it drafted our Constitution, and how visionaries like Ambedkar and Nehru shaped modern India. The next episode will explore the salient features of the Indian Constitution, the core values that define our democracy. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to JobSafal for the complete Indian Polity series. Visit JobSafal.com for free study materials, mock tests, and daily current affairs. See you in Part 4, Salient Features of the Indian Constitution.